Hi everyone. Thanks for checking out this video. So there's gonna be a bit of like a channel update because I know I kind of haven't really made a video in a while, so I'm just gonna update you guys with what I've been up to and like how things are going. Um, yeah, so basically the past couple months I've been like super busy. Been like a lot of like life changes happening and stuff. So yeah, I've been kind of slacking on the videos, so sorry about that. But yeah, a couple updates on my end. So I got married a couple months ago, back in like March. So yeah, I got married. Yeah, and then me and my wife moved into a new apartment in like a new area. And then around that time, I also had COVID for like 2 weeks. So yeah, I had COVID. And then almost immediately after having COVID, I also like defended my dissertation and finished up grad school. So I like successfully completed the PhD program that I was in, and then like right after that, I've just like 2 weeks ago started my new job. So I've also been like getting up to speed on my new job that I've been doing. So yeah, I've been like super busy. So it's not that I've like given up on making these videos for you guys, but yeah, it's been super busy. So yeah, sorry about that. Also sorry about like being slow responding to emails. I've been getting my usual amount of like debugging emails. And I've been like super slow the past couple months responding to them. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so now things are settling down a bit, and I think I'm gonna have more time pretty soon to get back into making videos again. So yeah, there's a little bit of like a update video, letting you guys know like what kind of new videos are coming, and also like asking you guys if you have any requests too. So the first thing that I'm probably gonna be focusing on going forward is making some R videos, and the reason for that is that, like I said, I started a new job, and the new job, I'm doing a lot of R programming. So I'm okay at R, but I would like to get better at it, and I kind of need to get up to speed on being like good enough to do my new job. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make some R videos, partly for your guys' benefit, and also partly for my own benefit, just to like force myself to get more practice with it and like learn how to do more with it. So yeah, I'm gonna make some R videos, probably some general data science, some general programming, as well as like bioinformatics specific R packages. But yeah, if there's any specific R topics you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to make them. The other thing is, this is a project I've wanted to do for a while, but like when I was in grad school, I just never had enough free time. I kind of like playing around with like machine learning and like neural nets and like image classification as like kind of a hobby. So now that I actually have some free time and I'm not like constantly busy with grad school anymore, I was thinking I might try to do a bit more on like image classification in Python, and possibly make like a tutorial series on this. So I might try to do some like biomedical like biopsy like image classification. I know there's a good like Kaggle melanoma image data set, so I might try to do something with that. But yeah, probably gonna, now that I have some free time. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but now I think I actually like hopefully have enough free time to do it. The other thing is that like most of the requests I get from you guys, and like most of the emails I get are about like technical problems and like coding and stuff. But I also get quite a bit of like people asking for advice about like grad school and like careers and bioinformatics as like a career field. So I'm probably going to try to make some more of these like career and like grad school advice videos. Also, especially like looking back on like the past 5 years of grad school, I think that I can give some advice that's useful for people in their like first and second years that I think could be helpful. As well as also like I just finished with the job search process, so I'm kind of somewhat aware of like what the current job market is. So I think I'll probably make some like advice videos on that too, just like the current state of like the bioinformatics like job market. But yeah, again, any specific questions, just let me know and I'll try to cover them. Oh yeah, and then the other thing I was thinking about, I've kind of been wanting to do this for a while too. I've been thinking about like possibly like having some guests on and doing some like interviews of like other people I know, like my friends and stuff, and my colleagues from grad school who are also like working in this kind of field. Possibly like interviewing some guests about like their research. So I think maybe some of you guys are interested to hear like what kind of what kind of current research is like going on in the field, and what kind of like research opportunities are there for like aspiring PhD students and like postdocs and things like that. So yeah, I may try to get some people on and like interview them as like guests and get them talking about their research in like bioinformatics and computational biology. And then yeah, the last thing as always is just like any requests that you guys have, anything that you want to hear about, just let me know. Like just if you want to just like leave a comment on this video. Anything you guys are interested in hearing about, if I'm knowledgeable enough to make a video on it, I'll try to make a video. And I've done this before. Like people leave comments and like email me asking for videos. And if I'm knowledgeable enough about it, I try to like actually make a video and like yeah, make the video to help them out with whatever kind of specific topic they want to hear about. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Yeah, just a quick like channel update, just to let you guys know that even though I've been kind of slacking on making videos lately, I'm not giving up, and there's definitely some more videos coming. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and yeah, stay tuned in the future. I definitely have more free time now than I had previously, so I'm going to be hopefully making some more videos, and yeah, should be coming in the next couple weeks. Yeah, so thank you guys, and see you next time.